Welcome to Milak Online tutorial. Now in this tutorial I will be learning how to convert the metric system rather in length to the metric system in area. Okay, now the question now is, how do we convert the length metric system to the area metric system? For us to convert centimeter squared to meter squared, this is what we do, that 100 centimeter. Now for us to make it a square meter, it means we have to raise all this to the power of 2. Okay, all right. So if that's the case, so which implies 1 meter also will be raised to the power of what? 2. Okay, so this will now give us, according to the law of indices, because this is just 100 times 1 centimeter, let me just put it as centimeter, all raised to the power of what? 2. Okay, so and according to the law of indices, this power or exponent will be distributed among these two terms. So here you have what? 100 squared centimeter squared. So which will give us, we are still dealing with the left hand side, this will then give us 0.0000 centimeter squared. So which gives us that 10,000 centimeter squared equals what? 1 meter squared. Okay, you can see it's very simple. Now the same thing here. Okay, let's raise this to the power of 2 and this to the power of what? 2. And with that we can say this is what? 10. We distribute this power to 10 and what? Decimeter, which will be 10 squared and decimeter squared. Okay, which will give us what? The same thing here, 1 squared and meter squared. So this will give us 100 decimeter squared equals what? 1 meter squared. I hope that's clear. Now the same thing. Okay, let's just move to this. You do one and drop the answer in the comment section. So let me just do this. So here you have, just raise it to the power of 2 as usual. Okay, so here you have 10 raised to the power of 2, because we have to distribute the 2 to 10 and millimeter. So then times millimeter squared. So which will give us 1 here centimeter squared. Sorry, 1 squared and centimeter squared. So there you have 100 millimeter squared equals 1 centimeter squared. I hope you learned something today. So you do this and this and drop it in the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.